Hello traders and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Wednesday 25th of the September 2019 and we are going to take a look at the Lisk quoted to American dollar on a daily time frame chart. So what do we have here? As you can obviously see, is this bunch of levels here and this trend line here. So when we look at this chart, we can see straight on that the dominant trend is down. We can see that since the levels of 2.6 $2.7 we got this spike, we got this move apparently down towards the 1.01, then a bounce towards 1.82, and then another move lower with a new local low at 0.95, then another bounce towards $1.5, and then we got this low again 0.95, then this low, and this is 0.89 cents for Lisk. Very little movement higher, very small bounce towards the level of 1.1, and then another lower low at the level of 0.74 cents for Lisk. So the dominant trend is down because the market is making lower lows and it's making lower highs. I have marked them all in this part of the chart. So one of the most important levels, which was the technical support, was located at the level of 1. So one Lisk is worth $1, and during the last month we got this price action here. As you can see, where the bulls have been trying to bounce a little bit higher above this $1 level, but eventually they failed, and they failed badly because all of the lows has been, of course, violated. They have been broken, and then new low has been made at 0.74, of course. So this is still typical price action for the trend continuation move, and the trend is obviously down. So right now those levels are red, which means they are levels of technical resistance. So 0.01, 0.95 and 0.89 are now very important bunch, or like a zone of technical resistance for the bulls. And what about the targets for Lisk? What is the next level for the Lisk price? It's very high, hard to say, because this is the new historical low at 0.74, but judging by the way this cryptocurrency is moving, the next low might be at 50 cents for US dollars. So this is only my one serious projection of the price, while based on the price movements, not on the specific targets from the technical support, because there isn't any, and any kind of a projection from the Fibonacci expansions or something like this, because they are not applicable in that situation. So the next level might be even at 50 cents per Lisk, when you, of course, say if Lisk is quoted to American dollar. So to resume my whole analysis, the trend is down. There is no sign of any kind of a trend reversal. We are below the trend line and below the zone of the technical resistances mentioned before. So right now the only direction for Lisk is still to the downside, targeting 50 cents for Lisk. That's everything for me. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time. Happy trading. Bye bye.